Well, hello everybody. I got a box today in the mail from Jim Steffi at Emerson Southern Forged, and I cut the box open, and inside, in addition to a ton of bubble wrap, is this whatever this is. Let's cut this open and see what is inside. Pretty exciting stuff. Let's see what we have here. Now, this is a tobacco cutter. Jim Steffi he came upon a bunch of these antiques, a couple of them, say a bunch, I think 3 or 4, and he refurbished them, sandblasted, painted, relettered, put new blades on. Boy, if you ever want to take a hostage, wrap them up in bubble wrap. Jeez, they'll never get away. So anyway, here we've got this this dandy tobacco cutter, Enterprise Manufacturing Company, Philadelphia, USA. It's a couples company. Made by Enterprise Manufacturing Company, patent 1885. But man, this thing is just swell. Look at this. Boy, thanks, Jim. Got a nice stainless steel blade, smooth mechanism. Man, just sharp. This is really something. Man, I don't know, man. I can't thank you enough. Thanks, Jim. This is beautiful. Beautiful piece. I'll cherish this thing forever, buddy. Thank you.